In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Fireflies to Chrome. We'll install the official Fireflies.ai extension from the Chrome Web Store, pin it for quick access, and sign in so it's ready to capture meeting notes when you need it. Start by opening Google Chrome. Head to the Chrome Web Store. In the search bar at the top left, type the phrase exactly as follows: Fireflies AI Meeting Notes, then press Enter. Using that full phrase helps you land on the right result quickly. In the search results, look for the extension named Fireflies, AI Meeting Notes. This is the official listing for Fireflies on the Chrome Web Store. Before you proceed, take a moment to verify the publisher and glance at the reviews. This quick check helps you avoid copycat tools that can appear in search. Security researchers have reported many fake AI-themed Chrome extensions that attempt to steal user data, so it's worth being careful and selecting only the verified official option. Click the result to open the extensions page. On that page, click Add to Chrome. A confirmation prompt will appear. Click Add Extension to confirm. Chrome will download and install the extension, and you'll see a brief notification when it's done. That's all you need to add Fireflies to your browser. After the installation, make it easy to access during calls by pinning the extension. Click the extensions icon, the small puzzle piece near the top right of Chrome. Find Fireflies in the list that opens, then click the pin icon next to it. Pinning keeps the Fireflies button visible on your toolbar so you can launch it without digging through menus when a meeting starts. Now sign in so the extension can connect with your account. Click the Fireflies icon on your toolbar. Choose Continue with Google. When prompted, log in with your Google account. This links Fireflies to the account you use for meetings and calendar events, so it can join and capture notes as needed. Always make sure you're signing in through the official Google Flow presented by Chrome, and never share sensitive information anywhere else. That's it. You opened the Chrome Web Store, searched for Fireflies AI Meeting Notes, selected the official Fireflies AI Meeting Notes extension, added it to Chrome, pinned it for easy access, and signed in with Google. With these steps complete, Fireflies is ready to help you stay organized and save time during your meetings, all from right inside your Chrome browser.